This is a great little keyboard. So I've ran to Amazon and grabbed one really fast, mostly because my mechanical keyboard stopped working and I needed something quick. And this was, reasonably priced. And after I replaced my expensive keyboard with it, I've actually realized that I actually like this one better. Listen. So much more quieter. So I'm not sure if I'm sold on mechanical keyboards anymore. The lighting system under is really nice. So I really like the lights. They're not in the way. They're not creating problems. You could change them by function, and you could change the way that they flicker around. Also, they have different modes. So you could function and you could turn it off, and then you have multiple modes on it. So it depends which one you like. I don't like anything aggressive, so I like just something more plain, but it has a multicolor kind of a thing going from the left side towards the right side. The feel is really, really nice. I like it has a volume button. So every time I buy my keyboard, it has to have a volume button. That just drives me nuts if it doesn't. And then it has a multimedia button, also has a home button, so it brings up a browser. Yeah, I absolutely love this keyboard. It has a very, very long wire. That's nice. Also has little feet that you could raise it. And when my hand sits over here, I'm playing my game. It doesn't have the same cushy pad that the other keyboard had, but it's still good. I wouldn't say that it sits in an uncomfortable position. So when I play my game, I'm actually pretty decent as far as this goes. So I'm actually pretty good, pretty comfortable. But the moral of the story is that once they're gonna fix the other one, I'm gonna keep it as a backup. I actually like this one better than the expensive mechanical keyboard I was using before.